Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making this quick and easy quilt as you go coffee sleeve. It's a great way to use up some fabric scraps and makes a great gift too. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. First, cut out 2 templates and tape them together to make a larger template. Place 1 fabric strip with the right side facing up along the short edge of the batting. Center a second strip on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Align the right edges on the long sides of the strips and pin them in place, and stitch along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press it open. Place another strip on top of the last strip, right sides facing. Stitch along the long edge of the fabric strip using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press it open. Continue adding and sewing strips until you reach the end of the batting. Flip the piece over and use the edge of the batting as a guide to trim away the excess fabric strips. Place the finished piece with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center the template on top and cut out the piece. Place the backing fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down and use the template to cut out that piece. Place the 2 pieces together with the right sides of the fabric facing each other. Center the elastic hair tie on a short end with the majority of the hair tie facing in. Baste it in place. Stitch all around the piece using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving a space on the bottom open for turning. Trim away the extra hair tie and clip the corners. Turn the piece right side out and press it. Pull the bottom opening under and press it to form a crease. Top stitch around the entire piece about 1/8 of an inch from the outside edge, making sure to catch the opening to close it. Measure in about 1 inch from the opposite end of the hair tie and attach the button. Place the coffee sleeve around your cup and stretch the loop over the button to secure it. As before, if you need a tighter fit, move the elastic past the button, twist it to cross the elastic, and loop it back over the button. And just like that, just that fast, you have a brand new coffee cup sleeve. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.